on my way out. I like to do it. Is that a fishing pole? What's that guy doing?
I think it's the window sweeper thing. Oh no. Propane?
I have no idea what it is. It is hooked up to the propane thing. He's blowtorching something. He's actually lighting it on fire. I want to see that thing.
Really only had you.
What the heck is he doing with this blowtorch? What is he doing with it?
Oh, he's getting in. Oh.
What's he doing?
He put it in his truck. Back up.
I'm gonna go like this. Oh, there's an H3 Hummer. I'm gonna let my camera see what he's doing. Okay, that's nuts. So much for not smoking at the pump. He has an open flame.
Well, he turned it off now. He did something in the truck. There might have been bugs.
Wait, but what the heck? Oh. And not only is he smoking, he's putting it on his windshield. What in the world?
Someone's trying to come into it.
Well. Are they actually going? You've got to be kidding me.
What the heck is he doing?
He's warming up his windshield. Maybe he doesn't have a defroster. But you're going to do that at a gas station?
Sassy, it's hot in